If you like the video, please like and comment. Share more important information with others. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get the next update.
Aloe vera to remove acne scars. You also need to know the correct way to use aloe vera to remove stains. Aloe vera extract is recommended to treat various skin problems, burns, cuts, etc. Beauty experts use aloe vera to remove acne scars. And by capitalizing on this popularity, various cosmetics made with aloe vera are available in the market. However, the question may arise, does the extract of this aloe vera leaf remove acne scars? Aloe vera to reduce skin blemishes. Aloe vera helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes on the skin in various ways. Increases immunity. A study published in the International Journal of Natural Therapy in 2009 found that aloe vera helps boost immunity to inflammation. As a result, acne scars gradually decrease. Helps in making collagen and elastic fibers. The fiber in aloe vera extract helps to heal blemished skin. In particular, it helps to keep the skin looking good, according to the Iranian Journal of Medical Science trusted sources. The growth of this fiber is also able to reduce the impression of age. Reduces inflammation. According to a report published in the Pharmacognosis Review, the use of aloe vera can reduce inflammation. As a result, the spots from acne are reduced. Healthline.com reports that several studies on the relationship between aloe vera and scarring have shown that it can reduce burns and scars from surgery. And also works very well to remove acne scars. Another important issue is how old the stain is. Generally, good results are obtained by starting treatment or care for the scar as soon as it appears. A study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine claims that regular use of aloe vera to remove old spots has yielded good results. According to a 2017 study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, a compound called illusion in aloe vera helps reduce acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Allicin regulates the production of excess melanin in the skin. This dark pigment makes acne scars even more pronounced. The participants in the study, conducted by researchers in the United States, used aloe vera and arbutin 4 times a day for 15 days. As seen, these two compounds work very well in reducing stains together. Aloe vera takes as long to remove stains. Acne scarring usually progresses in 3 stages. These are inflammation, in the affected skin part. First, the blood vessels become stiff and blood flow is obstructed. As a result, the production of melanin increases, and black spots appear on the skin. Inflammatory compounds come to the scar. Cell formation at the wound site. The skin removes the damaged cells and helps in the formation of new cells. New collagen is produced within 3 to 5 days of the injury. Normally, healthy skin contains 20% collagen, while acne-prone skin may contain 80% type I collagen. Reconstruction. The imbalance of proteins in the skin causes excess cells. This can cause dark spots or new spots, which are known as hypertrophic scars. Sad but true, it takes longer to get rid of scars. However, in this case, twice or more beneficial compounds such as aloe vera can be seen to remove stains after a few weeks or months of use. Skin cell regeneration can take up to 28 days or more, depending on age. So regular use of aloe vera gives good results. How to use aloe vera. Cleanse the skin with a mild cleanser and lukewarm water. Use aloe vera rich gel or cream on the affected part of the skin. You can use any other remedy if you want on the scarred area. Or you can make aloe vera all over your face. Use aloe vera rich cream stained part and around it. And make sure that it can work against skin decay. You can also use other cosmetics you want in skincare. Different types of aloe vera use. Aloe vera can be bought in many ways. If you want, you can buy aloe vera leaves and use its gel or extract separately. Aloe vera rich gel is available to buy in the market. Although not all aloe vera gels can be used orally. So the following issues should be confirmed and aloe vera gel should be used. Some aloe vera gels are specially made just to relieve sunburn. These are not usually used orally. So it is necessary to use 100% pure aloe vera for the skin. Dermatologists have yet to find a magical ingredient to remove blemishes. However, regular use of aloe vera on the skin greatly reduces the effects of blemishes. However, no evidence has been found to support the use of aloe vera. However, it is better not to use it if the skin is uncomfortable or swollen.
If you like the video, please like and comment. Share more important information with others. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get the next update.